Hey guys, this is Sasu from sasumon.com. Today we're going to talk about step by step how you can create a verified PayPal account without using a phone number. So let's jump right in. So the first thing you need to do, you need to search for PayPal, right? Yeah, you search for PayPal, and once you get there, the second thing, we need to select for our telephone number. But as I told you, we are now using our own telephone numbers so we can get the code just for verifications. So here you see there's multiple countries. It depends on where you live right now. So the trick you're going to use, let me show it to you right now. So as you see, we have many countries, but not all of them can work with PayPal. So not all the countries on the world will work with PayPal. So that's why we need to just find an online system where we can receive our code using some internet services. So right now we are going to use PingMe just for receiving our online SMS. It's a free tool, you can use it wherever you are. It's just a matter of having an internet and getting access on it. So you see here we are on PingMe. They have multiple services. Yeah, you can call, you can receive contacts, you can even make money using PingMe. So the next thing we're going to do, we are going to find for the number that we'll use to receive the code. There are so many countries right there, so it's up to you whether you choose England, whether you choose United States. So I'm going for United States just to make it really quick. So you're going to receive the SMS, but first you need to find the number. Even if this service is free, but there is a limitation for how many SMSs you can receive. So you see there are so many numbers, they are not the same. You can choose whatever you need. So right now I'm going to choose for this number. You all know sometimes it can be stressing. So this is our number right here. So we are going to select from 5 to the rest of the number, because the one is the fundamental number, and then we paste and just wait. Then after, we go back and write this code. Just open up this front page so we can enter and receive and see the messages that have been sent. You see, this is my code I'm not the only guy who is using this number. That's why you see all the other messages down there. But my first there is my code, so I copy and I paste. So I'm here right now. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to fill up our names or identifications, names, yeah, our emails, our addresses, and the password. Then once you fill up that, we go to the addresses and also fill the addresses. On the address, you can pick whatever location you need, but it's a matter of, it depends on the number you have chosen. If you have chosen in US, you will go for the locations in US so they can verify you. So you can also fill up the bank credentials, your names, or your credit card number, and your OCCSV number, and also the expiration date, so they can read your bank account, so they can match it, so you can be able to transfer funds from your bank account to your e-wallet, which is PayPal. And then it's also very versatile when you connect them, so you can have both transactions at time. So right now your account is being set. I think you're good to go. You can send funds, you can receive funds from everywhere. Yeah, that's pretty much everything you need just to set a PayPal account which is verified without using your phone number. I've showed you how from step 1 to this last step. Yeah, first you need to go to ping me, find the number where you can use just to receive the code, copy the code, bring it back to the PayPal, and then fill up all the gaps and then continue to this last step. So this is pretty much everything. I think we are good to go. Your account is being set. You can send funds as you see on the screen. You can also start making money, refer this to 5 friends, and then you can up to $10 per one. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed our video. So see you next time.